used two atomic bombs in World War II that you knew that you hadn't created something that could destroy the world later on.
Yeah.
The co-founder of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, recently addressed issues related to deepfakes and artificial intelligence (AI) challenges during the company's annual shareholders meeting. Buffett, ranked as the 9th richest person in the world in April 2024, witnessed a remarkable increase in his net worth, growing by approximately $16 billion in the first 5 months of 2024. Speaking to shareholders gathered in Omaha, Nebraska, he made sure to acknowledge the company's continued progress and resilience, even after the loss of its vice president, Charlie Munger, in November 2023. However, the focus of the meeting quickly shifted to the topic of artificial intelligence. During the question and answer session, Buffett stated, "While I'm not an AI expert, I recognize its importance and don't underestimate its influence." Following this introductory remark, he drew a comparison between the impact of AI technologies on illicit financial activities and the development of the atomic bomb, as well as the subsequent proliferation of nuclear weapons. This line of thought was rooted in a personal experience Buffett shared, in which he was confronted with a deepfake that accurately replicated his appearance, mannerisms, and speech. As recorded in the meeting transcript,
When you think of the potential for scamming people, if you can reproduce images that I can't even tell that say, I need money, it's your daughter, I've just had a car crash, I need $50,000 wired. I mean, scamming has always been part of the American scene, but this would make me, if I was interested in investing in scamming, it's going to be the growth industry of all time, and it's enabled in a way. Obviously AI has potential for good things too, but I don't know how based on the one I saw recently, I practically would send money to myself over.
Buffett compared the development of AI to the period when the atomic bomb was developed during World War II. This alarming view is not unique to him. Another prominent figure, Elon Musk, has been advocating for swift regulation of AI for years before it becomes uncontrollable. Interestingly, Buffett mentioned a recent experience as a catalyst for his concern about the technology.
An enormous amount of leisure time. Now, what the world does with leisure time is another question. Whether more leisure time, I know an awful lot of people think when they go to work at first that what they want is leisure time, and what I like is actually having more problems to solve. But AI is profound. I mean, that's what makes it a genie. Is what can happen. I could tell a few genie jokes, but I better not.
While this isn't the first time Buffett has voiced concerns about the potentially threatening nature of AI, it's worth noting that Berkshire Hathaway's largest investments are in the second most valuable company in the world, Apple. The number one spot, previously held by Cupertino's company, now belongs to Microsoft, which made a significant investment in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT. Since then, Apple has been striving to regain ground, directing part of its resources toward the development of generative AI technologies.
He asks, last year you mentioned Coca-Cola and American Express being Berkshire's two long-duration partial ownership positions, and you spent some time talking about the virtues of both these wonderful businesses in your recent shareholder letter. I noticed that you have excluded Apple from this group of businesses. Have you or your investment manager's views of the economics of Apple's business or its attractiveness as an investment changed since Berkshire first invested in 2016?
No, I would. But we have sold shares, and I would say that at the end of the year, I would think it extremely likely that Apple is the largest common stock holding we have now.
Buffett quickly intervened to allay concerns about the status of the U.S. Federal Reserve. Many commentators, including major holders of U.S. Treasury bonds like Japan and China, have expressed divergent views on the subject. Warren emphasized that there is no viable alternative to the dollar in the immediate future. However, he argues that the media should pay more attention to the fiscal deficit than to the actions of the Fed, describing it as the real issue. Buffett suggests that people are overly concerned with the Fed's decisions when the real point of interest should be the fiscal deficit. He emphasizes the importance of the government returning to a surplus to begin reducing the mountain of debt that afflicts America. As for his large cash reserve, Buffett offers the following explanation. In summary, Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholders meeting highlighted growing concerns about advances in artificial intelligence and its intersection with global economic and political issues. Warren Buffett, known for his long-term vision and financial market insight, once again drew attention to imminent challenges and the need for a measured and strategic approach to these issues. As technology continues to evolve, it is essential for business, government, and academic leaders to work together to find balanced solutions that promote progress while protecting the interests and security of all involved. But amidst these challenges, Buffett hinted at a new venture, teasing the possibility of Berkshire Hathaway delving into the realm of AI innovation. Could this be the next frontier for the conglomerate? Only time will tell as Buffett continues to navigate the ever-changing landscape of technology and finance. What do you think of the Buffett opinions? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with everything that happens in the world of investments. Thank you very much and see you next time.